Now with Dr. Buntin, due to the shortness of our show today, no phone calls, but a couple of great tips from her on what you can do as we go through the remainder of the summer months. As always, thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
All right now in your office, I'm assuming there are top 3 things that you're seeing. And number 1, let's talk about sunburn and what people can do.
Right, it goes without saying you're going to wear sunscreen. And the thing I notice a lot of people still think that the low SPF is okay, only if you put it on very thick. So most dermatologists, such as myself, will say take a 50 or 100 SPF because if you don't put enough on, you still have better protection.
Okay.
And don't forget to reapply if you perspire. And then the other thing, a lot of men tell me they think it gets in their eyes. Just take it from the temples down, then put a protective hat on so you can protect that part.
All right. Also, a misconception here because there are a lot of folks of color who think that they don't need sunscreen.
No, we need sunscreen too. In fact, I have an SPF 35 on right now. And you're going to put on enough. Right. You need to wear sunscreen. Right.
All right.
If you don't want to age prematurely.
All right. Especially in the face area,
right?
Right. All right. Let's talk about poison ivy because that's always big in the summertime. What do people need to do for that?
Now remember, leaves of 3, let them be. So if you think you've been around it, you have about 10 minutes to rinse off with just plain water to prevent the reaction from coming. But normally if you're exposed within 48 hours, you'll start getting itchy bumps. And the key is they tend to be in a straight line. So if you see that, you can immediately try to use hydrocortisone or something. But certainly if you can get to a medical facility right away, we normally treat outside and inside. We often will use an oral steroids, but you always need something to rub on and preferably an anti-inflammatory agent.
All right. Always great information. Thank you for being with us
My
today.
Pleasure.
Now, Dr. Buntin is with us on the 3rd Friday of the month, and you can see her in the Hermitage area as well with information on our website at newschannel5.com. We'll be back.